It's a lot easier to get into places that, as you can see, we're limited by where we can scope things in with the boom lift and everything like that. So it's really a lot easier to get in. The idle time's incredible on it, or the sound in general is really nice on it. It's basically a dummy-proof welder and it's super easy to use. I love the remote start feature and everything on it. That's been big and helpful because currently we're working with the welding machine outside while we're working inside. So when we need a break to cut material and we want to turn off the machine, or just so we don't have to take a long walk, we just use the remote and everything like that as well. So it's super nice. The runtime benefits me in a lot of ways just because of the fact that I get here, I fill up once in the morning, full tank, and I can run out a solid 8-hour shift without having to fill up again, which means I can stay up in the air welding, stay in a basket welding, and I don't have to keep coming down. I've got all my supplies with me I need, and I don't got to go take care of my welder. I know that it's going to last me the whole day. The aux power has greatly helped us out a lot, because especially if we've got somebody tied into the machine on our company that's maybe cutting pieces for us down below to feed us while we're welding up in the air, I can continuously run a pass and my arc isn't interrupted. I'm not having to worry about losing amps or anything like that when I'm running a pass. So it's huge improvement. With the smooth continuous arc, it allows me to be a lot more confident in my weld. As the quality of the weld, I don't have to go back and do extra work, which I don't need to, as far as cleaning a dirty weld and everything. So it allows me to be a lot more productive and get things done, be a lot more confident in what I'm working with.